Hi, and welcome to Cario, your all-in-one freight management software. In today's session, we'll dive deeper into consignments, and I'll give you a walkthrough of the today's list menu. In the today's list menu, you'll be able to find more details about your consignments, such as the labels and more. So let's get to it. First, you want to click on the consignments menu to get the drop down and head over to today's list. In this section, you'll be able to see a list of all your consignments. Over on the left, you can click on any of the count numbers to open it up and see more details about it. Now, navigating over to your right, you can see that you can click on Print Label, where you'll be able to see the labels for you to print. You can also print the connote, and if you'd like to email the documents, you can also click on the email icon and input the email address you'd like to send it over to, a subject and message, and choose what to attach in the email documents. Now, at the bottom here, you also have the option to copy the consignment if you'd like to create a new consignment that has similar details within that consignment.